Okay, push his fan.
Come on.
Push his hand.
What the? Stop.
Push his hand again.
What's this?
Yep. Again. Other hand. Does the other hand do it?
Funny.
Do that hand again.
That's funny.
Push a hand again. Do you like him?
Uh-oh. That's funny.
Is that like Sam's hat? Was Sam wearing a Pikachu hat? No. You goofball.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Was Sam wearing a hat?
Is that the Pikachu?
Yeah. Did you see her on the computer?
Yep. Oops.
Oops.
Come on.
Okay.
That's funny.
Push his hand again. Again. Other hand. Okay, that's enough. That thing is just creepy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Pikachu.